Here's how a switch is wired in a mobile home. Always make sure that you have the power off. My power is on right now. So what I got going on is that they fit 3 wires into this one box. So the green I have right there is the power. And then you have your ground, the white, and then the black. And then, so that's the power. And then the blue is going to the light and the fan. And then see how I got red on that one in the back? That's giving power to that outlet down there. But they don't give you a lot of room in the back of these things. So power's on. The the white from the green there are my power. Both is getting pushed into them prongs. Both of them. Same with the white coming from the light is being pushed in on the white there. It says white. And then the ground's always going to be in the center. So both the ground, the copper there, from both of them are being pushed through that center prong. So then coming from the power there is only going, the black wire on the power is only going into that first prong. So then the light, the wire from the light, the black one, is only going into the first prong. Not like how both the whites are going through. So then you can see the light's on right now. When I push it off, that lever moves, disconnecting them wires. So then I push the light back on, and then that latch switches. So now it's on. So the blacks don't go through both, otherwise the light would be touching the whole time, and then it would just be on the whole time. So that's why that wire back there that goes to the outlet, depending on if you wire that black to the power, it'll be wired hot the whole time. But if you wire it to the switch, that outlet will only be working when you have the switch turn on. But they do not give you a lot of room behind. I'm having trouble getting that third set of wires in here, push down, and then having the white whip out of the way so I can push it back. So right now I'm not even using that outlet because I don't have that wired. I have it capped off because I'm having the trouble. They're hard to get to push them in there. Can be a pain in the ass to get them. They just pinch. So if you're having trouble getting them out or getting them in, you just gotta work with it. So yeah, so then I would have to get another wire in there, but for now I'm just not using that. So you can see, this is like the old one here, that yeah, the whites are just pushed through on those pins. And then center pins. And then these will pull out if the pins will pull out sometimes. So yeah, here's an actual outlet, not a switch. So this is the same pretty much concept. You have your black, your ground, and your white. So then your whites come through on those, get pushed in, and then your grounds get pushed through there. But on this is going to be powered the whole time, so there's not that little thing that flips it back and forth. So then these, you just push the blacks through the power, and then wherever, and then the other one that's going back. So basically same concept for switch in there, but they can be a pain in the ass to pull out and to push back in, but this is how they do it in older mobile homes. So make sure you always turn the power off, and they give you don't got a lot of room. And then you also got to get this back cover piece on, which getting off too can be a pain, and getting it on, getting all the wires to fit in there and getting that on. But that's the basic concept of how they have it. You just push them wires down in and through and make sure they're not touching at all on the end. So it's working. Now I got to figure out a better way to figure out them wires hitch and then try to get that working. But that's how mine is on my living room switch on the mobile home. Hit that like and subscribe button. Be safe.